bought me the cherry bomb Glasspack, which I'm gonna install. I took it, I have it in the front. I'm gonna install it in my 2010 Chevy Silverado. So, see how that goes. And these are the clamps. Yeah, I opened it and took it out just to put it over the pipe and see if it fits anything. So, yeah. Alright, so at this point, I turned the truck on to show you how it sounded stock without the cherry bomb Glasspack. And that's how it sounds. Give it a little bit of gas. So y'all heard it. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it and see how it sounds. So that's how it looks right now. I'm about to cut it out. Yeah, probably make the cut close as possible. And then on this side as well. And I'm pretty sure this is just gonna slide in. So, see how it is. So, this side is loose, as you can tell. Put it on the jack. So I came up with a small problem as I was working on cutting the muffler. The saw that I have, well, ran out of battery. So I'm just gonna give it like 20-minute charge and then put it back on and finish cutting. So right now I left the jack under the muffler right now because I don't want to leave it like sagging because I already cut one side. I just need to cut the other. But yeah. So I'm eating some tamales while the battery charges and got some sauce. You know how it is. Look at that. That's how it sounds without the muffler. Sounds pretty loud. So it's pretty loud.
2,000 years later.
So I already installed the Glasspack. This is how it looks. I had to add an extension pipe, but that's how it looks. We're gonna start the truck right now. Oh. And that's how it sounds. Let me go ahead and